All right, so this is a problem that I did on circular motion. The problem is a Ferris wheel at a fair has a radius of 24 meters and it rotates once around in 64 seconds. So the question is, what is the apparent weight of an 82 kilogram person at the top of the Ferris wheel? So we write down our knowns, and our knowns are the radius is 24 meters, the mass is 82 kilograms of the person, the time it takes is 64 seconds, and then we need to find the angular velocity of that time. So you take your 2 pi radians and divide it by your time in seconds, which is 64, and you get 0.098 radians per second. So then you come down and your free body diagram. This is your person. His weight is down and the normal force is up. So here we have the sum of all the forces in the y direction equals the mass times acceleration. Well, your force also equals your normal force minus your weight, your mass times gravity. And your acceleration, it equals your angular velocity squared times your radius. So we're going to take all of these formulas and put them together. So your sum of your forces, which is here, is N minus mg equals your mass times your A, which is your angular velocity squared times your R. So we write it out here. Now the reason this is negative here is because it's your weight is going to be in the negative y direction. So then we add over our mg's to both sides. So then you get your normal force equals your mass times gravity minus your mass times your angular velocity, which we found up here, times your radius. So if you take all of your knowns, your numbers up here, and you plug it into this formula, you get your normal force equals your 82 kilograms, which is your mass, times your gravity is 9.8, minus your mass again, 82 kilograms, times your angular velocity, which we found was 0.098 radians per second squared, times your radius, which was 24 meters. And plug it in your calculator, and what you get is your apparent weight, which is your normal force, equals 784.7 newtons. And that is how you figure out the apparent weight of a person using circular motion.